To cancel your T-Mobile Wi-Fi line, first determine your service type. It could be 5G home internet with a router, a mobile hotspot device, or a data-only SIM card. The easiest way to cancel is through the T-Mobile app or website. Navigate to Plans and Lines, select your Wi-Fi service, and choose Cancel. You'll need to provide a reason for cancellation. Alternatively, call 1-800-937-8997 for complex situations. Most plans are month to month, but check for early termination fees on promotional plans with subsidized equipment. Cancellation is typically effective at the end of your current billing cycle. T-Mobile prorates your final bill based on usage. You'll only pay for the days you use the service within the billing cycle, calculated as monthly rate 30 days active. However, you won't receive refunds for unused portions. Instead, future bills are adjusted. Crucially, if you have a T-Mobile gateway router, you must return it. T-Mobile will provide a prepaid shipping label. Failure to return the equipment within 30 days will result in a significant ETF, typically $130 for 5G gateways. Ensure the equipment is in good condition to avoid additional fees. Keep your tracking information as proof of return.